Hi everyone, I'm Whitney Perez. I was born and raised in California, but I'm currently living in Jersey City, New Jersey with my boyfriend Patrick, my dog Milo, and my 6 fish. I first came out to the East Coast in 2013 for college. I attended Manhattan College up in the Bronx, and that's where I studied biology, and I also swam on the swim team. I enjoy hiking, swimming, snorkeling, gardening, and I also love to travel. After college, I got a job in quality control for a company called Collagen Matrix. In this position, I tested out all of the medical devices that were developed and in order to make sure that they were ready for surgical use. After this position, I got another job offer at a company called BioReference. This is where I currently work. I work in the reproductive genetics department. Here, I extract DNA and perform a variety of assays in order to determine if someone or their offspring will have a genetic disease or the gene for a genetic disease, such as cystic fibrosis, Fragile X, spinal muscular atrophy, Down syndrome, and so on. I first got interested in the public health field about 2 years ago, and I started my public health journey with UNE Online back in April of 2019. I plan on focusing on epidemiology and biostatistics while I am in this program. My career goal is to eventually work for the CDC, get my PhD in maybe microbiology or molecular biology or epidemiology. I'm still doing more research on what I would like to do. But my goal is to work for the CDC as either a pathologist or an epidemiologist. I'm really excited to be in this class, and I can't wait to learn from all of you.